start with test. You are already gone through the first part of the stage 1 testing, isn't it? That is PPDT. Now we come to the second part of this test. Okay. Now this second part also consists of two parts. First will be the individual narration of the story that you have written, and also the discussion part where you're going to be having a discussion to make a group story. So now let's come to the first part first. That is the individual narration of the story. Now each one of you will be giving out your individual story that you have written one by one. So on being told, chest number 103 will get up and she will narrate her story to the group members. Okay, the time limit to give your group to individual story is 1 minute. So kindly finish your story within a minute. Anybody taking you longer than that, from here we'll ring the bell once, at which the person who is speaking will keep quiet, sit down, and the next person in line will get up and start narrating his or her story. Right? We'll carry on like this till such time we hear the last person of the group, that is 119. Any questions so far? All are clear? People at the back also? Yes, sir. Clear about the instructions? Yes, sir. Okay, right. Once we have heard everybody's story, or another few points to be kept in mind. Firstly, language to be used is English. But should you get stuck or find difficulty, you can speak in Hindi, but try to get back to English as soon as possible. Alright?
Yes, sir.
And also while giving the story, individual story, kindly address to the group members, not to us. Alright, and there is no requirement for you to exchange any pleasantry and salutation with the assessor. Moment you get up, start with the story straight away. Alright? No good morning, good afternoon required. We have done already that. Okay, right. Once we heard everybody's story, then we'll come to the second part of this. All of you can pick up various good part of the story which might have been given by various speakers to make a group story. For this, approximately you get about 20 minutes, depending on how the discussion is progressing. Alright, and thereafter, once you have finished your discussion, any person from the group will get up and narrate the group story to us. Okay, and this is the second part of this test. Any question, clarification so far? All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we start then?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Friends, I have perceived a crowd and a central character in my story. The theme of my story is hard work pays off. Ishi, a 18-year-old badminton player with lot of hard work and a persistent learning attitude, has made it to win the junior badminton championship. And after that, she has come back to her town. And knowing this, all of the town members and the Honorable Chief Minister of the state has come to felicitate her with flowers and reward money. She has inspired many kids and girls, all those students who think that they are not getting adequate opportunities to do well in achieving their goals. She has used her rewarded money in order to charity the orphanage house and has ensured to build a house for her parents. Thank you.
What I have perceived from the story is that Ramesh, a 30-year-old man, is a resident of a village near Kerala. One day, while working in the outskirts of the village, he saw a group of elephants entering the village grounds. So, as soon as he saw that, he gathered some villagers, told them the situation, and they called upon some animal rescuers, and they were able to calm the agitated group of the elephants and were able to follow them back to the forest. And Ramesh was applauded for his courage, and everyone lived happily.
Friends, I have perceived a huge crowd, and central character of my story is Suchi, 29 years, a student of post-graduation of BHU. She was she wants to organize a rally on the occasion of 2nd October, that is Gandhi Jayanti. For that, she shared the ideas with her friends and distributed the work among them, that who will going to make the boards for the campaign and also the slogans for Swachh Bharat Mission, and allotted this work to the seniors of the college.
Friends, I have perceived 20 characters in this story, and the main character of my story is Akansha, 20 years old girl, and in the positive mode. She is a student of geography Once her teacher told her class to arrange a event on a theme, on that particular theme, by which everyone could get inspired. So, as she had already heard a lot about the wild animals, like how their lives are getting harmed by the human activities directly or indirectly, so she arranged the event on that particular theme, and aware the people about how the wild animals, life of wild animals are getting harmed by the human activities directly and indirectly. The main factor is that the cutting of forest and the disappearing of forest. So after that, everyone get motivated by her thoughts and decided to help the wild animals and preserve the forest. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived one male character and a group of people from the picture shown. The main character of my story is Rakesh, 24 years old, is a student of mechanical engineering from Delhi University. While returning from his college, he saw that some students are protesting against the system and management of their college. He then noticed the ambulance which was stuck behind the huge traffic. He went to that ambulance and noticed that in that there is a patient who met with an accident a few minutes ago. He then go to the student leader of that protesting team and then told him the situation of the patient, and he get that ambulance a way to pass through. The patient reached the hospital on time, get the treatment done, and he is now out of danger. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived a group of people in the picture. Rahul, 23, is the central character of my story. Rahul is a college student doing BTech who was living in a village in Assam. One day on the way to his college, he found an elephant that has come to the road, and the villagers were panicking. He immediately called for the animal rescue team, and he immediately called for the animal rescue team, and with the help of villagers he helped them to distract him so that he cannot harm anyone. Also, he ensured that all the females and the children are at their home safely. When the team came, he assisted them and the elephant was finally rescued. After that, he has gone to the forest authorities to tell them about the incident, and he told them that this kind of harmful activity should not be repeated again.
Hello friends, according to me, I was saw that in the picture held on the election. There are so many papers. There are some are more ages, some are little bit ages. I was saying that they are waiting for the result of the election. They gathered together, and after that they all were talking to each other about that topics, who were held, who were not, about that all the topics, and the some person have to some are good, some are bad, all the qualities, and he will be waiting about after the announcement of the result declaration. They showed that okay, what is the that is good for me or not everyone. So according to
Anuradha, a 23-year-old activist, went to a fair with her family. She noticed that there were various animal right violations. She noticed that animals were tortured in order to entertain human. She immediately informed the police about unorganized fair. She used social media to raise awareness about animal right. She also held various campaigns in order to educate humans, local population about animal rights, and then he used constitutional frameworks in courts to raise the issue and increase the rights of animals. In response, government has enacted a law which stated that animal use in unorganized fair is illegal and will be null and void.
In this picture, I have perceived 4 characters, all male, from the age 24 to 28. The mood is generally positive, and the title is Saving the Elephants. Ram, 24, is a biologist by profession. He comes back to his home in Assam, and he is actually surprised by the depleting number of elephants. He contacts the local authorities as well as World Wildlife Federation. He gets to know the reason behind the depleting number. It is the illegal mining, the deforestation, as well as illegal poaching. He organizes an event with the society and comes up with a plan to catch the poaching and and actually curb the mining in the area. He also takes the help from WWF and acquires geotag locators that could be applied to the elephants. He is elated to see the number of elephants increase and is happy to do his part for the society.
I perceived one character, Ashutosh, who is a male 27 years old and a crowd of people. Ashutosh is a former sarpanch of a village called Sheikhpur. Recently, a epidemic had struck Sheikhpur due to poor sanitation facilities in the village. He informed about this to the current sarpanch, but he did not take correct measures to curb the situation. So he, along with his supporters, went to the village development officer and informed him about this situation. Seeing this, due to this, the authorities come into action and the epidemic situation is brought under control. After this, the sarpanch also gets serious about this situation, and the village is uh, village is village situation comes under control. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive the central character Mukul 27 years old and the crowd. In this slide, the Mukesh is completed his graduation and he's doing the competition level examination preparation for the examination, and he and he
Friends, pictures shown to us. I have perceived many characters, but my central character is Vishal, 18 years old, is a student of TT College Balia. Next Sunday, because the animal is the only thing who keep a balance in the environment. All of people were convinced by the Vishal ideas and thanked Vishal to do this type of work. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived a group of people, and the main character of my story is Raman, who is 21 years old, who works in a nearby city of his village, and works in a circus that uses elephant. And when he came to his village in his holiday, he found that there are a lot of people in his village that are unemployed and doing nothing but using their elephant in the roads, and therefore he gathered them and teach them the skills that are used in circus, that by which they can earn money from their elephant. So and the circus in which he works have a lot of scarcity of elephant, and people enjoyed the elephant, so he take them to his circus where they can get employment. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived from the story a elephant and a group of peoples. They all are celebrating a Mahalakshmi festival near the Madurai, which is located at Kerala, and they all are enthusiastic and they are happily celebrating the festival. They all are celebrating the festival near the Meenakshi temple, as we know that the elephant is also a chariot of goddess Lakshmi. So they all are celebrating the festival. That's it. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived group of pupils, and Ramesh is my central character. The theme of my story is importance of elephant. Ramesh went to the village in the summer vacation, where his village is famous for the presence of elephants, and it is glory for their village also. So he went to the village where he listened that the elephants were going extinguished in their village. So he tried to manage it by convincing the people in the ground, by giving speech that they are the glory of our village. So try to get escape from this, and do not do illegal selling of the elephants. So all pupils are convinced, and they they are not doing well. This. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived many characters in the given story. Rohan, 17-year-old, pursuing BTech from BBD College, Lucknow during summer vacation, where he saw that his village was polluted. So he decided to organize a camp with his friends and the villagers of the village. So he arranged all the villagers and his friends and decided to do a campaign for this, and in which all the villagers and all his friends participate in a large number with high enthusiastic manner, and he also get aware the people about the Swachh Bharat Yojana and also clean the street with broom, and this was a new experience for him, and he also motivated the people for this one, and he also get awarded by the mayor of the city for this. Thank you.
Friends, from the given picture, I perceive the group of 8 to 10 characters, and the central character is Manoj, whose age is 25, and he is a nature activist in Kerala. Manoj is a nature activist and also an animal lover. One day, while scrolling through the internet, Manoj saw that the elephant poaching is increased in his area in Kerala, and so he taken the initiative and thought of making an awareness campaign to prevent the elephant poaching. He take the DM's permission and 15-day prior and publicized the campaign. The DM has also agreed on his awareness campaign. So after publicizing campaign, many were volunteered for the campaign, and he also contacted many elephant tamer. And during the campaign, Manoj convinced many pupils and also taught them about the importance of elephants and the other animals. And after the campaign, Manoj was elated to see that many pupils are convinced and many villagers are helping the police rescue officers and the animal officers to prevent the poaching. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the given picture, I have perceived the group of character, but my central character is male in positive mood, and the age of the character is 21. My action of the story is illegal poaching. Ram, 21 years old, he was living in the village called Puri. One day he was moving nearby forest, and he came to see that some anti-social activity or poaching was done. So after seeing this, he was currently shocked and went to his village and tell everything to his Sarpanch. Sarpanch immediately called police and gathered all the villagers and came to the forest where he rescued all the elephant. The people were breaking the elephant teeth and selling in the international market. After in the end of the day, Ram tell everything that this is the activity where the population of the elephant is decreasing. Sarpanch appreciated for his work.
Friends, what I have perceived is that Anusk 20, student of St. Stephen's College in New Delhi, is doing research work on the declining number of elephants in India. So he decided to go to village to see the exact condition of elephant there. After reaching the village, he saw that the elephant tusk was illegally poached and it was exported to other countries because it is used in furniture there. Very expensive it is. So he, after coming back to Delhi, he wrote an article on this and he suggested alternate ways by which we can replace the tusk. He suggested like we can use mulberry trees stem that is also very strong and it can function like this only. He also suggested some more methods and his article got very much appreciation from his colleagues and he was very happy. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived many characters, but the main character of my story is Ramesh, a 21-year social activist. He has organized a show to pay tribute to the Indian freedom fighters. He called people from the different states and arranged an elephant to arrange a rally and with the slogan Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And they organized a rally and pay their tribute to the Indian freedom fighters and thank the people for their sacrifice. And the people from the different states come there and attend this meeting, and this will increase the integrity among the people and the unity among them. This will also increase the patriotism in them. Thank you.
So friends, I think elephants are showing very clearly in the picture. There is a group of elephants. we can make our illegal poaching of elephants.
The theme first. So we have coaching.
Should be spreading awareness. Yes, awareness campaign can become the theme of the story, and awareness should be towards the illegal poaching of the elephant.
Talking about the animal
We should
poaching. We'll take both of them in one story, that is poaching, and we are also
Awareness.
spreading
Awareness towards illegal poaching of elephants.
Either it is forest range officer or an activist.
Activist.
We're going for a main character, we'll stick to an activist who's working in sync with the forest department as well as various other.
So he has written various kinds of articles also for spreading the awareness, and has decided making a campaign for spreading the awareness towards the illegal poaching. And he's the president of
There is also a group of people there.
all of those are engaged in the type of program.
So we are also deciding on a drive with the society. The drive that the society is working with
Of that, we are organizing a function which is for spreading awareness for
Awareness campaign that's a campaign which is there on the road and is moving. So we can't say it's a function, it's a awareness campaign. And he has arranged that campaign in the village only, not at higher scale. And that crowd is tribe members who followed him. Yes.
village is
Yes.
of Kerala.
And he was successfully able to aware them, and
Kerala.
it resulted in declination of endangered or illegal poaching of the elephant subsequently.
Yes.
So we've decided on a theme that is illegal poaching.
So friends, can we
We all have perceived elephant picture in the picture shown. So we have to organize a poaching in the elephant and some awareness about the elephant.
and we can also relate the central character by a botanist, like something botany, student of botany, because to control he's doing some research.
All of these perceive an image picture.
And he has gone to the village to know about it.
Doing the campaign of cleaning.
Very good. And about their poaching is also
common elephant theme and the legal poaching, and how to aware people about this illegal poaching. And he has gone to the village.
For that you are making, and for that we should make the campaigns where we can
and stop illegal poaching.
Yeah, we can aware people by various means.
All of these agree in the elephant poaching. All of these
We all are agreeing on the common theme that is illegal poaching of animals.
elephant and they touch.
Yeah. Elephants.
Elephant poaching is a good thing.
Various points like the tusk of elephant has been very for illegal poaching.
Kerala, and we had
Character is a biologist.
main character is a botanist or biologist. And he can also use the forest. He can also
Ranger.
zoologist.
Zoologist is a forest ranger.
The main character is like zoologist.
Making awareness of the animal.
One of you can get up, nominated by all the group. Reach the consensus on is that there is a activist named Ashutosh who is about 27 years of age, who is organizing a awareness campaign on about animal poaching in a village in Kerala. And due to this, the people get aware about this, and the animal poaching get reduced in that area. Thank you.
172, then I got a 138, and then I have got 118. So these are 4 candidates. We both of us has found them meeting the grade in the sense you have been recommended for the stage 2 based on today's performance of yours. In addition to them, we have got other 2 chest numbers, 116 and 117. So you were both on the borderline. All right. So now everybody can clap for them. 103, okay, you give out your story confidently. Only thing is your theme was felicitation. You identified crowd correctly, but you could have talked about, you could have related slightly better to the story. You talked about badminton player came back and this thing. You could have linked up with the picture. The elephant was so clear.
Compared to previous performance of PPNDT. Okay, so 103, you could not fill box. I don't know why. Then there's a question mark in your perception. Elephant, ज़्यादातर लोगों कितने लोगों ने एलिफेंट को ऑब्जर्व किया? देखिए 90%. सो ऐसे टेस्ट में अगर आप एलिफेंट को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ऑब्जर्वेशन पे क्वेश्चन मार्क है. एंड दिस इज द टेस्ट मेनली बेस्ड ऑन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड परसेप्शन. तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं मेंशन कर देते, नहीं किया था तो कोई बात नहीं, बट थोड़ा सा वो क्वेश्चन मार्क था. अदरवाइज परफॉर्मेंस इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन कैन बी वर्कड अपॉन. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग बेटर परफॉर्मेंस. You can take the ideas and opinion from other also. You can add your opinion, then you can participate more. Okay. Overall performance is satisfactory and you are in. Have a seat.